I mean, these models are incredible. And there's lots of times I ask them things and they do stuff and I'm like, "Man, I could never do that." Like this thing's way the hell smarter than I am. But the interesting thing is where they're really dumb is learning,
Right.
like real time learning,
Yeah, yeah.
like I can spend an hour to let's look at the coding case, but extrapolate it to any other case, right? I can spend an hour today working with a coding agent and it can pull off something incredible. And we learn things along the way through the session. And the next day I start a new session and it's a dumbass that didn't learn anything from the 2-hour session I had today unless there's some scaffolding, right? And there's a little bit of scaffolding improving to try to extract out like what were the key lessons, let's get them done, let's move them forward. And that kind of goes, and then you sharp that into business processes where that's about my business, right? Well, we do it this way, right? Like you need to do this. Don't ever forget about this. Look, this one customer is always, a outlier in this area. Treat it different in this situation. And that's really, I think, where these models require a lot of scaffolding to
Mhm.
do really good business. And that scaffolding is about kind of like that knowledge you would give an employee and the employee would intuit and just remember, you know?